Today we're checking out the Kensington quick release car mount for iPhone, iPod Touch, or anything else you could fit in there. Here's what you get inside. Simple, 3 pieces: windshield vent and device mount. That's everything. This is a real piece right here. That's where all the magic happens. Spring-loaded mounts or clips. A little bit of rubberized material in here, help hold the device. Little notch on the back. On the windshield mount. Bam. I mean, it's done. It'll rotate 180 degrees. Let's see how quick and easy it is. That's it. That's it. So you can have your charger still connected, audio out to your stereo maybe. Does not get in the way. But that's it. Bam. Pops right off. Windshield suction cup, plenty big enough. Stays with the windshield, great. Been having a few weeks now I've had this. Works perfectly fine. Vent mount, not so much. These spring-loaded designs, great for clipping it in, goes right in, snap. Little tripod leg here. But that's it. You go to move it, take it off. These want to bend in, and I keep getting them jammed in my vents. So I like the windshield mount better anyway. So that's it. That's all there is to her. Stays good. Very minimal vibration, you know, wiggle. Driving on the road with the bumps and stuff. I mean, it's going to happen. I don't expect it to be like it's welded to the window. That's it. It's very firm. Stays where you put it. But completely flexible. I could bend it all the way back around if I wanted to. Plenty long enough. I think that's about it. I think they're about 11 bucks right now on Amazon. I bought 2 of them. Can't go wrong. I put 2 in the truck. That's it. It's great. Props for a good product at a great price. And again, I've seen Evos and other things fit in here. If you can get anything in here, digital camera, something, it'll hold all kinds of stuff. And that's about it. Thanks for looking.